right, hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. And today we're going to be looking at Privilege Manager, and more specifically, we're going to be looking at workstation policies. I'm your host, Bert Blevins, and let's get started. All right, here we go. So we're going to take a look at why do we even need to do this in the first place, we might ask. Well, sometimes we can trigger policy. Well, sometimes we have choices, we have options. We can trigger policies off of the particular applications. We can trigger policies off of a user, and we can trigger policies off a computer group. So basically, somebody who's logged into a system, we can isolate a computer group or what that computer does, most specifically, and we can formulate policies that are applied to that and preset conditions. So when somebody logs into that workstation, they automatically have some of the policies that we've applied to that based upon the profile, of course. And let's take a look. So we're come in here and come into application policies. We're going to create a policy and come down here, and we're going to come into workstation policies. So these policies here above it, monitoring is for monitoring like all applications or even elevated applications that are running the environment. Controlling is more around blocking, allow, justification policies, approvals, and then we go into workstation policies. Okay, let's take a look and see what one looks like. So we see that we have different policy names, and these are basically profiles that are set upon a particular set of computers. So we can say, okay, let's do one. Let's take a look at the one that's specifically for software development. So click into that, and we can see that we have different targets here that are allowed and so forth. So we can go, boom, we can click on a particular set of, we can actually extend this as well. So we're going to come in here, we're going to click next step, and then we can say, so all the software, this is all we can do. Basically, this is our pretty much pieces that would need to be elevated if run. So we got that set for this particular workstation policy, and we're going to pop on over here, and we have that policy into play. So basically, just a couple clicks, put that in there, then we can come in here and we can basically back into it and then create more customization around what that policy can do and take it and extend it from there. So essentially what you can do is create workstation policies for a set of processes or applications that need to run on a particular endpoint. That endpoint then has that policy is set to it. So when subsequently users log into it, they are afforded the policies and rights and elevation that you've set forth within that particular workstation policy. All right, that's all I have for today, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.